can come back on the wet little ragamuffin.
Yeah. Cara and Grandpa are out in this. Daddy.
Daddy, can you watch it?
Woo!
Oh, it's coming.
It's coming down hard. You can't even see. Well, Daddy, tell where Cara and Grandpa are.
They're hiking. They're out hiking in the...
Actually, now they're swimming.
Yeah. They are? Oh, no.
Cara, hurry!
Wasn't that a fun hike?
Cara, where were you?
Congratulations!
Cara, where were you?
Get some towels.
You and Grandpa? Where were you?
Where were you when it at the water hole?
At the water hole? Did you have a good hike? Yeah? That is crazy, Cara. Did you have fun? Did you have fun? What?
I brought home these thingies.
What did you bring home? Let me see.
They taste like tart raspberries.
Oh, yum.
Mama?
Sure. That was the most fun you ever had?
A little. We ran in the rain.
That is crazy. You and Grandpa. Come around here where it's not wet.
Kathy, here.
Yes.
Here's his second towel for her. Mom, have some.
That was a crazy hike. You can eat those?
Yeah, we can.
That's way cool.
It tastes like tart raspberry.
Okay.
I said, let's take us another minute.
I want some tart raspberry.
An extra minute cost you
I want tart raspberry.
Not a fun hike? Cara, was that a fun hike, sister? Yeah?
What's the funniest thing I've ever had at the cabin?
Oh, no way. I'm so glad.
Best thing I've ever had.
Okay.